I tell you folks, this is crazy. I mean, people spend 20 E's for this kind of bird. So, and a lot of people ask themselves, okay, why? I mean, why people spend near to 50, $60,000 to have a JPEG which look like this? You know, what's the reason behind this? Of course, yeah, I make a video to explain you why I think people spend this kind of money for this kind of NFTs, and it's pretty simple in this case. It's very simple. So first of all, let us read here what the NFT is about. Right, a collection of 10,000 utility-enabled PVPs that feature a richly diverse and unique pool of rarity-powered trades. What's more, each Moonbird unlocks private club membership, and that's a thing, and additionally benefits the longer you hold them. We call it nesting because obviously. Okay, so the thing is, if you own this kind of NFT, right, you can be a member on their membership here. So you have sometimes like some things like an alpha channel, a Discord, etc., etc. But a lot of projects have this, right? So why people want to buy this kind of birds, right? You could win here a raffle to be whitelisted. They have 10,000 pieces. And to mint one, you need to pay 2.5 ETH just for the mint, and it was immediately sold out. So it was a raffle. People need to fight against each other to get on the whitelist to pay 2.5 ETH just to mint them, and they sold them immediately for 10 ETH. So people mint them, and price go up immediately to 10 ETH. And after a few days, we have now 20 ETH floor. So the question is why? And the answer is pretty simple. I was already made a video about Proof Collective. You remember? Video in my this video I will put also in my description. And this Proof Collective is an alpha pass, which has a floor of 83 ETH. So a floor of $250,000, the most prestige alpha group in this NFT space. So people literally pay this kind of money to get in to this group, okay? And the thing is, Moonbirds, you can see here, if you go to, where I have it, oh, Moonbirds, you can see that's their official Twitter. By the way, guys, this is their official Twitter, okay? Because right now you have a lot of different scams. So where you have fake Moonbirds, and they tell you some things like you can win some things, etc., and you need to go to their website, and it's all phishing scam websites. This is their official Twitter with 165,000 followers, and this is their official website. So if you see some things about Moonbirds, always recheck, okay? So you will not fall for scams. Okay, anyway, back to the topic. So you can see the official Proof, etc., PvP. You see, and this is the Proof Twitter, right? And you see here Proof Collection, Collective Proof, Moonbirds 10K Utility NFT. So this kind of NFTs, the Moonbirds, are a part of the Proof Collective. So, and people understand this, right? People understand that, okay, the guys which created this NFT, this group, right, with 83 ETH floor, $250,000, a $4 million, you know, launch an NFT, Moonbirds. So obviously Moonbirds will moon also, right? Just because of psychology of people. So people, if Ferrari says we launch tomorrow a car which you can buy for $30,000, a small Ferrari, you will buy it, right? Because it's still a good price if you understand what kind of people made this kind of NFT, right? Same thing here. So people know it's from the team of Proof Collective, and that's why people mint this guys for 2.5 ETH, even made a raffle, so they fighting for the whitelist, right? And after the NFTs was minted, price go up immediately to 10 ETH, right? So people who called not minted were ready to buy it for 5, 6, and then 10 ETH, and still in a big win if they done this, because they make still 100% ROI, and I'm pretty sure it will keep growing, to be honest. If you have the money, it's a good investment. That's what I'm saying, not financial advice, but that's what I think. To be honest, it can maybe go down to 15 ETH, etc. Then people will buy in again, and it will go up again, right? That's why this kind of NFTs are so available, right? So if you have this kind of NFT, you are in a group, and this group has something to do with the Proof Collective, right? So if you cannot afford a Proof Collective NFT for $250,000, at least you can get a Moonbird to be near to this smart people and have really valuable information regarding the NFT space, right? That's a key point information. That's why people buy this kind of stuff. They want to be in a group to have this kind of information, right? And I would like to end this video with another alpha call, so we can orientate it. We can have the same tactic behind this, you know. So let me explain what I mean. First of all, again, it's not financial advice. It's just for entertainment purpose and what I think about this. So, you know, maybe this guy here, NFT Llama, right? And he have made a collection 3-4 months ago called Llamaverse. And we can see Llamaverse Genesis are at a floor price right now on 7 ETH. Okay, mint price was 0, so literally you cold minted them for 0 ETH, just pay the gas fee. Okay, so he created a collection which was for free, and then he provide utility in from alpha groups, in from a whitelist marketplace, in from staking, and then you earn your coin with this Puff coin. So, a funny name, right? A lot of different things. He provided a lot of utility. So people really appreciate it, and therefore price go up. So if you minted one 3-4 months ago for 0 ETH, you could sell it today for 7 ETH, right? So very smart dude, this guy here, and he made this. And the thing is, we can have now the same strategy with Moonbirds, with this guy here. Why? Because he launched another NFT right now, and this is here, Llama Labs, right? And that's the thing. This NFT will have the hype, and it will go also in price up. I'm very confident about this. Why? Because it's a part of Llamaverse. That's it, and that's a very easy strategy. If somebody launch an NFT and you see on his history he has launched already some stuff and it was successful, then the second one will be also successful. If you have any kind of chances to get into Llama Labs, a whitelist, etc., right, make your own research. I will link this stuff also in the description. Yeah, try to do this. So I'm pretty sure, I don't know when mint will happen. You see, and more soon. So it's pretty fresh. He started the Twitter on March. Right, I don't know what will be the mint price, etc. But I'm very confident if you will be able to mint this, you can sell it for profit immediately. And if you're not able to mint this, it makes sense to take a look on secondary market and scoop maybe one for a good price. Of course, make your own research. What they will make with this, what is the main purpose of this Llama Labs, etc., etc. But I'm pretty sure he make his own thoughts about this. But the strategic behind this is exactly the same like with Moonbirds. So people literally mint here Moonbirds for 2.5 ETH and even buy for 10 ETH, may not really knowing what they bring them, you know? They don't really know this maybe, but they know these Moonbirds are from the founder from Proof Collective. And that was the only main reason why they moon so hard. This was the only reason in my opinion. That's it. And the same thing we have this right now also with this here, with Llama Labs, which is a part of the Llamaverse Genesis collection, right? It will be an additional collection to this, but it will be in this Llamaverse thing, in this metaverse, right? And that's yeah, what I can suggest. If you like this video, drop the like button, subscribe to my channel, and in the description I have also links to my Discord group and also to my Twitter. It would be cool if you follow me, of course, and I will keep doing these small videos for you, and hopefully you find them valuable. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace out and have a nice day. Bye bye.